actually delivering and growing its footprint in a competitive market. So how does Australian Premium Solar India Limited actually make its money? It's pretty straightforward. Their main gig is manufacturing and selling solar photovoltaic modules. They produce two main types, monocrystalline and polycrystalline modules. By offering both, they can cater to a wider range of customers. Their revenue primarily flows from the sale of these solar panels. Think of it like a bakery making bread. APS makes solar panels, and people and businesses buy them. They might sell directly to large project developers or through a network of distributors and installers. It's about making a physical product that serves a real need, the need for clean, affordable electricity. The more panels they make and sell at a decent margin, the more money they make. What makes Australian Premium Solar India Limited stand out in a crowded field? For APS, one of their key strategies seems to be built around the Australian Premium Solar name itself. While they are an Indian company manufacturing in Gujarat, the branding evokes a sense of international quality and reliability. This focus on quality, if consistently delivered, can build strong brand loyalty over time. Beyond branding, any technological advantages or specific product differentiators are crucial. Perhaps their manufacturing process is more efficient, or their panels offer slightly better performance in Indian climatic conditions. Maybe they have secured reliable sources for high-quality raw materials. Even small innovations in panel design or durability can make a difference. APS isn't trying to be the absolute cheapest panel on the block. They seem to be carving out a niche for themselves as a provider of high-quality, reliable solar panels, primarily for the Indian market. Building this kind of reliability takes time and consistent effort, but it's what separates the long-term winners from the also-rans in many industries. Section 4. The Sunny Horizon, APS's future plans and market outlook. Looking ahead, what's on the cards for Australian Premium Solar India Limited? Like any ambitious company in a growing market, their future plans likely revolve around expansion. This could mean increasing their manufacturing capacity to produce more solar panels annually. As demand in India continues to surge, being able to meet that demand is key. They might also be looking into developing new types of solar panels, perhaps with higher efficiency ratings or new features tailored to specific Indian conditions. The market growth potential for solar in India is simply enormous. The Indian government has set ambitious targets for renewable energy adoption, and solar power is a cornerstone of this strategy. This creates a massive, sustained demand for solar panels for years, if not decades, to come. Government subsidies, supportive policies for domestic manufacturing like the Make in India initiative, and increasing awareness about the benefits of solar all contribute to a very favorable market outlook for companies like APS. For the year ended March 2023, APS reported revenues of around 188 crores. Their profit after tax was also in positive territory, which is always a good sign. Consistent profitability shows the business model is working. Section 5. An Investor's Guide to APS, Prospects and Prudence. When you're considering investing in a company like Australian Premium Solar India Limited, one of the first things you'll look at is the stock's valuation. After their initial public offering in early 2024, the stock price will have moved around. You need to ask, how much am I paying for each rupee of the company's earnings? This is often called the price-to-earnings or PE ratio. Is it high, suggesting the market expects a lot of future growth, or is it more modest, perhaps indicating a bargain? Let's talk about the good stuff, the pros of investing in APS. Firstly, you're looking at a company in a sector with massive tailwinds. India's push for solar is undeniable, and APS is right there making the essential kit. Secondly, their focus on the premium end, if backed by genuine quality, could give them better pricing power and customer loyalty. Thirdly, being an Indian manufacturer could provide benefits from government schemes aimed at boosting domestic production. However, every investment has its shadows, and it's crucial to consider the cons or risks. The long-term future for solar in India looks incredibly bright, and APS is well placed to benefit.